Hi guys, you're watching Secret Spices of Beauty. So in today's video, I'll show you all how to get long and shiny hair within a week very easily. I'll show you all how to prepare a DIY hair mask with only 3 ingredients at your home, which will help you to get long hair instantly within a week if you apply this hair mask before every wash. If you use the exact same ingredients, I can guarantee you that you will be able to get long hair very easily within a week of time. It is my self-attested hair mask with the help of which I was able to get long hair within a week of time very easily. So the first ingredient is aloe vera gel. I have used Patanjali's aloe vera gel, which is very easily available in the market, or you can also buy it online if you're interested to buy it online. I'll link it down in the description box below. The second ingredient is sesame oil. Sesame oil is also very easily available in the market. I used Soulflower sesame oil. It is very good in quality and gives very good results. So if you want to buy it online, I'll link it down in the description box below. And the third ingredient is almond oil. I have used Dabur Badam Rogan in this. It gives best results. It gives the shine to your hair and nourishes your scalp very easily and very good. Now the process is very simple. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients well in a mixing bowl and apply it to your hair generously. This hair mask will nourish your scalp and sesame oil will help your hair to grow faster within a week. After applying this hair mask, leave it for 1 hour, and after 1 hour, rinse it off in the shower. But do not use hot water while washing your hair. Use a mild shampoo and a conditioner as well. But do not wash your hair with hot water. Just use normal room temperature water for washing your hair. After using this hair mask for approximately 3 to 4 times, you can see the difference in your hair very easily if you use the exact same ingredients. You can feel the hair growing longer day by day and also getting it more shinier very easily. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you have any query regarding this hair mask, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Secret Spices of Beauty. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'll link it down in the description box below. If you want to buy any of the 3 ingredients, the link will be in the description box below. You can check it out. Bye bye.